Hey folks, Mansoor Sohail from My Learning Center. What can you do right away to improve your leadership? Let's talk about it. People who wish to lose weight hunt for a miracle weight loss method that does not require them to change their diet or exercise habits. Infomercials or late night television promote solutions that promise to make you a millionaire overnight. Magical solutions that are fast, easy, and create large results are what we crave. So, no secret diet or get rich quick schemes for me. But I do know one magic thing you can do to boost your leadership outcomes. No extra equipment is needed to perform this task. There is no need to pay for an expensive lecture to learn this information. You will pick it up in no time. This is what you have been looking for. Make frequent appearances. What a no-brainer. It's hard to believe that something so easy may strengthen your leadership. Make a habit of showing up frequently to avoid making an entrance a spectacle. Workers for you will erect their defensive shields if you only show up when you have important announcements. These protective barriers make it difficult to communicate. However, if you frequently appear in public, your presence will become the standard. The barriers remain down, allowing for communication. Attend as many events as possible to get to know the people around you. There is no point in relying on reports and data to solve the problem. People cannot be fully understood unless they are observed in action. You will learn a lot about what they do and what they don't do well if you show there frequently. Show up frequently so your friends and family can get to know you. Seeing you in person is the best method for them to do so. Make a point to show up frequently so that you may communicate your message to others. One or two clear statements describing the objective and the role of your employees should have been written. Attend as many events as possible to increase your chances of spreading your message. Show up often so you can make quick adjustments. If you can make a lot of tiny course adjustments instead of a few huge ones, your life as a leader will be easier. Remember that the most effective supervision occurs in the systems gap. There are countless chances to set things right if you show up frequently. Attend as many events as possible to gain experience in the real world. Real life does not arrive to you nicely formatted into reports in your office. There is no better place to acquire an unfiltered view of the world than by spending time with your employees. So, how much is a lot? More than you are now doing is the ideal answer to that question. Make it a point to mingle with the folks who work for you on a regular basis. Don't just swoop in and then swoop out either. Being present is only worthwhile if you are prepared to stay and participate actively in the proceedings. Everyone who works for you has to be treated as a potential source of information that can be used to improve their performance. Don't expect to be instantly trusted. People are less likely to trust you if you haven't been coming up frequently. So they will be suspicious if you suddenly change your behavior. Changing their expectations will take some time. Stay the course. The advantages far outweigh the drawbacks. Despite the fact that it's a simple notion to grasp, you must make it a habit. At the very least, it will take a month and possibly more. Additionally, it requires time and effort. Your showing up time will probably need to be scheduled at first. Attending a lot of meetings won't make you rich or help you lose weight, but it may be the one magic behavior that will make you a better leader. Thank you for listening, folks. I invite you to join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and also subscribe to My Learning Center, our channel on YouTube.